Your to-do list is available in the planning menu. Here you have access to all your to-do list items and you can choose the exact date or time interval for which you want to see the tasks. For more convenience, this display is customizable. From this button called Actions, you can choose which columns you want to see. For example, let's add this last column. It will appear at the end of the list. On each of the columns, you can apply filters to reorder the list, for example here by color or here descending by the start time and date. Another very helpful thing is the fact that you can see and edit just the description of an item right here on the list. On each line, you can use these icons to start time tracking or setting it as done, or you can choose another action like edit, clone or delete. To create a new to-do list item, click on this button and complete the description, also the date and time interval when you want to perform the task. Then you can choose the project, activity and client or create new ones right here if necessary. You can also set the task if billable or change the color to be displayed with. Another useful thing is the fact that you will never have to worry about forgetting tasks. Right here you'll be notified about that, and all the items that were planned and not attended to are displayed. Last but not least, you can search for anything in your list by using these fields. And you can also see the items already marked as done. Of course, you can change the status by setting them as not done if you need it.